Okay, so now I'm going to talk about why I chose the scooter for my FPV transportation system. For me, I chose it primarily because it was a good way to get to class, and it was also a good way to get to FPV locations as well. Typically, the FPV locations that I go to are within 5 miles of my school, so it takes me really well to those spots, and it also takes me well to class as well. And because it's very, very lightweight and foldable as well, the good thing is that I can actually bring it into class with me and not have to worry about it being parked outside. Primary reason why that really matters is because for a bike at least, bikes get stolen when they get locked outside and you can't bring them inside because they're too big. So yeah, the reason why I ended up buying this and stopped using my skateboard, as you can see in some of my older vlogs, is that I actually got into a very, very big skateboarding accident that knocked out one of my teeth. They repaired it right now, but anyways, I don't want to take any more risks. So that's why I think scooters is a really nice method. And now I'd like to say that the rideshare scooters are, I think they're a really nice idea. The problem is that at one point I used them, but the problem is that the ASU administration, they banned the Lime and Bird's rideshare scooters, which is honestly a bit annoying to me because it was a really nice transportation method. So actually now we can't even park them inside the campus, or else we're gonna get fined. And yeah, I guess that's it. I guess I'm gonna have to head back home now. Got a club meeting to catch up to. Yeah, I just got to the club, soldering drones and shit like that. So yeah, anyways, Brian's trying to go third person mode, so it's a bit weird, but yeah, anyways, I'm gonna have to repair this drone. It's gonna be the race drone for the club, and the thing that's wrong with it right now is that the video transmitter pigtail's broken, so I'm gonna have to solder on a DIY dipole antenna. So yeah, I guess this is the end of the FPV adventure, but yeah.